mind is everything. What you think, you become. Explanation. Buddha highlights the power of thoughts and their influence on one's life. He encourages students to be mindful of their thinking patterns, as they shape their attitudes, behaviors, and ultimately their future. By cultivating positive and constructive thoughts, students can create a positive mindset that fosters personal growth and success in their academic endeavors. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Explanation. Buddha reminds students that true peace and happiness are not dependent on external circumstances or material possessions. Instead, he emphasizes the importance of cultivating inner peace through self-awareness, acceptance, and contentment. By focusing on inner transformation and personal development, students can find lasting peace and happiness, even amidst the challenges and pressures of student life.